Imagine owning a piece of a company that pays you simply for holding its stock. No selling, no flipping trades. Just regular payments deposited into your account while you continue to own the investment. For many investors, this is one of the most appealing ways to build long-term wealth and passive income. It is called dividend investing. Some investors use dividends to create steady income streams. Others reinvest those payments to grow their portfolios even faster over time. But while dividend investing sounds simple, there are a few key ideas that every investor should understand before getting started. Today we are breaking down how dividend investing works and how investors use dividend-paying stocks to generate passive income. Welcome to Business Training Media, your on-demand platform for business skills, entrepreneurship, and career growth. On this channel, we explore practical strategies for business, investing, leadership, and professional development so you can build real-world knowledge and long-term success. In this video, we will explain what dividend investing is, how dividends generate income, and how investors use dividend strategies to build wealth over time. Let's start with the basics. A dividend is a payment that a company distributes to its shareholders. These payments usually come from the company's profits. When a company earns money, it can reinvest those profits back into the business, or it can share a portion of those earnings with shareholders in the form of dividends. Many large, established companies pay dividends as a way to reward investors for owning their stock. Some well-known companies that have historically paid dividends include Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble, and Johnson & Johnson. When you own shares in a dividend-paying company, you receive a portion of those payments based on the number of shares you own. For example, if a company pays $1 per share each year and you own 100 shares, you would receive $100 in dividend income. These payments are often made quarterly, which means investors may receive dividend income 4 times per year. Now this leads to one of the main reasons investors are attracted to dividend investing: income. Unlike many growth stocks that only provide returns if the stock price increases, dividend stocks provide ongoing cash flow. Some investors use this income as supplemental earnings. Others reinvest their dividends to purchase more shares, which increases future dividend payments. This process is known as dividend reinvestment, and over long periods of time, it can significantly accelerate portfolio growth. This is where the power of compounding becomes important. When dividends are reinvested, investors begin earning dividends on the new shares they purchased with previous dividend payments. Over many years, this cycle can dramatically increase the size of an investment portfolio. Many retirement investors use this strategy because it focuses on steady growth and long-term income potential. Another reason investors consider dividend stocks is stability. Companies that consistently pay dividends are often well-established businesses with stable cash flow. These companies tend to operate in industries that generate reliable revenue year after year. While dividend stocks can still rise and fall with the market, they are often viewed as less volatile than some high-growth stocks. Many dividend investors also pay attention to something called dividend yield. Dividend yield measures how much income a stock pays relative to its price. For example, if a company pays $2 per year in dividends and the stock price is $100, the dividend yield would be 2%. Higher yields can sometimes attract investors looking for stronger income streams. However, experienced investors often look beyond yield alone. A very high dividend yield may sometimes indicate financial trouble if the company is struggling to maintain those payments. Instead, many investors focus on companies with long histories of increasing their dividends over time. These companies are often called dividend growth stocks. In fact, some companies in the S&P 500 have raised their dividends for decades. Consistent dividend increases can signal strong financial health and disciplined management. Another strategy investors use is diversification within dividend investing. Instead of relying on just a few companies, investors may build a portfolio of dividend stocks across different industries. Some investors also choose dividend-focused exchange-traded funds that hold dozens or even hundreds of dividend-paying companies. This approach spreads risk while maintaining exposure to dividend income. Dividend investing is not only popular among retirement investors. Many younger investors use dividend strategies as a long-term wealth-building tool. Even small dividend payments can grow significantly when reinvested consistently over decades. Here's what most investors miss. Many people think dividend investing is only about collecting income today. But the real power of dividend investing often comes from reinvesting dividends and allowing compounding to work over long periods of time. Those small quarterly payments may seem modest at first, but when they are reinvested year after year, they can lead to larger share ownership, higher dividend income, and significant long-term portfolio growth. In other words, dividend investing is not just about passive income. It is also about building a growing stream of income that can expand over time. Dividend investing offers a combination of income, stability, and long-term growth potential. By owning shares in companies that regularly distribute profits to shareholders, investors can participate in the success of businesses while receiving ongoing income. For many investors, this strategy provides a simple and disciplined way to build wealth over time. If you want to learn more about investing strategies and financial education, don't forget to check out our recommended investing courses in the description below. These courses can help you build deeper knowledge about the stock market, investing strategies, and long-term financial planning. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share to support the channel and help others learn valuable investing and business skills. And be sure to check out our next video here on Business Training Media.